everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jackeline Flores, and for today's video I'm doing a small get ready with me before I go to Walmart and buy unnecessary stuff that I don't need.
Ay, baby, tu sensualidad. Oh, 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 oh.
I'm not going to do much because I have to leave like right now, but I'm going to use my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Just filling in my pores because your girl got some pores and she wishes she didn't. And grab some Mario Blesco facial spray. So the foundation I will be using is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. That's what it's called. I'm just going to be applying this everywhere. I usually don't put this much foundation on in one spot. But yeah. Like, this always happens. Why does this always happen? What the fudge? Y'all don't know how difficult taking foundation off is. So guys, happy New Year's. I'm definitely
Today, Junior?
I'm definitely excited for this year. I don't know why. I just feel like super hyped up about it. Like, I don't know. I'm so excited because one reason I'm so excited is because 2 weeks ago I was at 91 subscribers. And I had put on Instagram if y'all can get me to 100 subscribers before the year ended. And you guys got me to 151. I'm so happy. I like started crying. I was like, it's so surreal. Like, it's not a lot to you guys, but to me it's like, whoa. Like, when I first started on my channel, I thought I was gonna get like, what, 3 or 4 subscribers. So having 151 to start off the year really just made my heart super happy. Super happy. I'm just so hyped, you know. And then we're also planning to go to Mexico in December, so I'm hyped about that too. Like, this year, I just know it's gonna be lit. Like, I don't use lit a lot, but it's gonna be freaking lit. The next product I will be grabbing is my Too Faced my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this, like I always say, this concealer is way too freaking light to me, so I only just put like 2 or 3 dots right there just to cover my like dark circles. Since I am a mommy, I'm gonna get bags. Y'all, can you believe my my 15 and pregnant video is at 3K views? Like, what the hell? That's like more than any of my videos that I have uploaded before. That's more than the video I had up 4 years ago. I'm just like, what the heck? What the heck? I'm not really gonna bake, so I'm just gonna grab my brush and with whatever is on this cap of my Airspun translucent powder, I'm just gonna go like that. I hope you guys are having a start of a good new year. And I hope you guys accomplish all your yearly goals for this year. I hope you guys go a lot of places, adventure different things, try out many things, just because it's our year, guys. This is our year. Maybe. Oh, like, don't expect, I don't know what I'm saying. Just don't expect your year to be like all fun and all this shit, because you never know what happens. I'm gonna be grabbing my Milani Big Blush Concealer. Yeah, I'm gonna be grabbing that. the Baked Blush, and this is in the color Bellissimo. And I'm just going to use this as a brush. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be using this as a blush and a bronzer. Actually, yeah, I'm going to grab a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to use this color right here from the Too Faced Cocoa Contouring palette, and I just stabbed my palette. So yeah, that's basically everything I felt like I need to say. Like I said, I'm so hyped because like I just feel like this year is gonna be such a good year. I'm not gonna expect it to be a good year, but something tells me it's gonna be a good year. And I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for supporting me through all of this, for watching my videos, for liking them, even though I know they're irrelevant as hell, but thank you guys. Next, I'll be grabbing my Wet n Wild Focus Setting Spray. And before that, it kind of has this weird smell to it. Anyways, before that all sets in place, I'm going into my Carly Bybel Palette's first edition and grabbing this highlighter right here, and ba-bam. Okay, and then I'm grabbing some.
A few moments later.
Mascara. And this is the L'Oreal Volumish Lash Paradise. Supposedly it's a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but I don't know. Going to the Charlotte palette and grabbing Flower Girl and putting that right on my inner tear duct. Just like that. Just because I feel like glowing a lot of it. Maybe should I put some on my eyebrow bone? Maybe. You're gonna see me glowing from 5 miles away. Okay, well I have to go now. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And comment down for more videos you'd like me to do. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on my next one.
Ay, baby, tu sensualidad. Oh, 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 oh. Me